So you all have watched previous lecture, समाचार मंथन का माइंड लेक्चर. No? Why? Like first, आप तो first time नहीं कर रहे हो ना? You are doing it for the first time. Okay. Fine. So news will be keep on repeating, so you can revise from there, but at least try not to miss the lectures especially. So this is in the news. Champagne, आपने देखा होगा maybe शायद. This particular picture was in the newspaper, and it was written that Champagne PBTGs cast their vote for the first time. Okay. So first, let's understand what is these PBTGs, right? So in India, we know there are certain indigenous groups, which we call it as a tribal groups, which has different, customs, traditions, beliefs. They have different altogether from the main Indian, the so-called civilized society, the way we call it as, right? So within tribes, if you see, say suppose in India, we have this as a tribal group. So like who are tribes? First tell me that. According to you, who are tribes? Indigenous people that I have already mentioned. And what else? Yeah, sometimes yes. Like one particular definition will not be suitable for each and every tribe, because tribals also have different social criterias, cultural criterias, and different things, right? So tribes के कुछ criterias हैं जिसके basis पे हम उनको define करते हैं. Say for example, yes, they are indigenous people. It is believed that they were the first inhabitant of the country like India. So like we have identified different tribal groups in India. Now within this tribal groups, there are certain tribal groups which Constitution has recognized, right? Constitution has mentioned it in the schedule of India. So जो scheduled tribes होते हैं, basically within this tribe we have another group called STs, that is scheduled tribes. Okay, so within this broad ambit of tribes, we have another group that is called scheduled tribes, which are recognized by the schedule of India. Now within this STs, we have another important group, which is further a smaller group. It is called PVTGs, that is particularly vulnerable tribal groups. इसका full form यही होता है, particularly vulnerable tribal groups. Now these PVTGs are identified on the basis of certain more criterias. ठीक है ना? अब वो कौन से criterias हैं? Basically क्या हुआ था, ये देखा गया कि within India there are so many tribes, but within those tribes there are certain patches or the groups of tribes which are more disadvantaged. वो ज़्यादा disadvantaged है बाकी tribes के comparison में. So these PVTGs are identified on the basis of certain criterias, which includes primitive technology. It means that still they are dependent on primitive type of technology, especially in agriculture. जब वो खेती बाड़ी करते हैं तो अभी भी पुराने तौर तरीकों से ही करते हैं, लकड़ी से. So they are not modernized, or they are not using modern technology for agriculture. Now the second criteria is declining population or zero population growth. It means that their population is not increasing. It is seen that certain patches or certain tribal groups, their population is not increasing. Hence, it is threat that this particular tribe might get extinct after some time. Hence, it becomes important to save those tribes, क्योंकि उनकी population को देखा गया कि वो बढ़ ही नहीं रही है. ठीक है ना? Now, certain more criteria are there. Very, very low level of literacy rate. ठीक है ना? बाकी tribes के comparison में in these PVTGs, it is seen that the literacy rate is very, very less. Okay? And yes, less economic development, financially also they are very weak. Okay? So on the basis of certain criteria, these PVTGs are identified. So you need to understand that tribes are, so many tribes are there. Within those tribes, scheduled tribes are there, which is recognized by the Constitution of India. Now within the scheduled tribes, we have certain groups of tribes which are further disadvantaged societies. Right? Now these criteria, ये जो criteria हमने अभी आपको बताई, like 4-5 criteria are there to identify these PVTGs. It was based on the recommendation of देभार Commission. ठीक है ना? तो देभार कमीशन आई थी, उन्होंने अपने रिपोर्ट को सबमिट किया 1963 के अराउंड, 1960-61 में आई थी देभार कमीशन. They submitted their report, and on the basis of that, we are able to classify these PBTGs, particularly vulnerable tribal groups. Now, fourth 5-year plan. Fourth 5-year plan में क्या हुआ? This is again important कि इनकी एक सेपरेट कैटेगरी को बनाया गया. Okay? Now, these are different groups which will be identified on the basis of certain criteria. ठीक है ना? तो अभी जो फिलहाल हैं, there are 75 PBTGs identified. And if you go through like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, like every state, not all the states, but yes, most of the states have these PBTGs. Okay. So similarly, in Andaman and Nicobar Island, there are certain PBTGs. कौन-कौन से PBTGs हैं वहाँ पे? Particularly vulnerable tribal groups. Sentinelese हैं, Onges हैं, ठीक है, Nicobaris हैं, Shawmpenes हैं. So these Shawmpenes are inhabitants of Nicobar Island. Okay. तो अभी ये important इसीलिए है because these are very disadvantaged groups. They are not privileged group. Especially they are not ready to mingle with the society. They are following their own tradition culture, right? From since beginning, starting से वो अपने tradition culture को follow कर रहे हैं. So now this is for the first time they have casted the vote, Shawmpenes, right? इससे पहले भी कुछ PBTGs ने vote को cast किया है. Now this could be the question that Shawmpene PBTGs cast their vote for the first time. Yes, please come. ये prelims में आ सकता है कि this was the first time that any of the PBTGs has casted the vote. Now you need to understand this is not the first time. Previously also many PBTGs has casted their vote. But यहाँ पे important इसलिए है क्योंकि Shawmpene जो है, जो कि निकोबार आइलैंड के inhabitants हैं, उन्होंने first time इस vote को cast किया है. Okay? Yes. Yes, Rajneesh. Unique rights, isolated, own culture. Fine. So these are some of the tribes of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Because this was in news, hence it is important for us to look on the tribes that are inhabiting Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So these include Sentinelese, as you have rightly mentioned, Onges, Zarawas, and Great Andamanis. In the tribes of Nicobar, we have Shawmpenes, we have Nicobaris. Okay? अगर आप percentage देखेंगे, ये तो इनका है. अगर आप normally भी देखेंगे, see, my research area is tribe only. I am doing on Sauri Paharia and Mal Paharia. So they are basically located in this Godda district and some parts of Chhattisgarh, Odisha, these areas. So these Sauri Paharia and Mal Paharia are also a PBTGs, which are in Jharkhand states, mostly in Jharkhand state. So मेरा जो area है, that I am seeing how these PBTGs are interacting with the outer world with the help of market, local market. क्योंकि इनका जो interaction है ना local, outer world से बहुत restricted है, very limited. So one of the ways through which they interact with the outer world is through local market. हिंदी में उसको हटिया बोलते हैं, ठीक है ना? हटिया. वो क्या करते? So this is not a rural-urban interaction. This is a rural-tribal interaction. Tribal people coming and interacting with the rural people. Now these rural people will take those stuffs and commodities and will sell back in the market. तो वो rural-urban interaction है, but this is a rural-tribal interaction, right? So again, अगर आप इतनी population देखोगे, census का data उठाओगे, you will see that these populations are not increasing, and in some of the years, in some of the decades, it has declined, and there's no growth as well. तो उन criterias के basis पे PBTGs को हम identify करते हैं, and again, it is very important that we also include or incorporate these tribal groups in the development process. ठीक है ना? Again, development की definition different है. आपकी development, मेरी development different है. Scientist की development different है. Economist की development different है. Tribes की development different है. Right? So development is a very debatable concept, but again, to increase their well-being, the main concern should be to increase the well-being of all the tribal groups. Okay? So ये question आया था आपका 2019 का question था prelims का. So if you see, this was directly asked from PBTGs. Again, that year PBTGs were in the news. क्या है आंसर इसका? So you have eliminated third. ठीक. देखो ये यहाँ से एलिमिनेट हो जाता अगर आपको एग्जैक्टली पता थोड़ा भी इंफॉर्मेशन होता कि हाउ मेनी पीवीटीज आर देयर, सो यू कुड हैव एलिमिनेटेड दिस. सो if you are eliminating this, then we have only one option left.